Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung water filter case Assy part #DA97-21261K. The Samsung water filter case Assy part #DA97-21261K is a replacement part for Samsung refrigerators. It is a plastic case that houses the water filter and connects to the water line of the refrigerator. The case helps to keep the filter in place and prevents it from coming loose or leaking. The case also helps to reduce noise from the water line when the filter is in use. This part is compatible with many Samsung refrigerator models, including RF263BZR, RF28HMEBZR, and RFG293HWP. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement water filter case assembly for Samsung refrigerators. It is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning water filter case assembly and can help to fix symptoms such as leaking, poor water flow, and an inability to dispense water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the water supply to the refrigerator. 2. Unscrew the old filter from the refrigerator and discard it. 3. Take out the new filter from its packaging and remove any protective covers or seals. 4. Insert the new filter into the filter case assembly, making sure that it is properly seated and secure. 5. Reattach the filter case assembly to the refrigerator, making sure that all connections are secure and tight. 6. Turn on the water supply to the refrigerator and check for any leaks or other issues before use. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.